Good evening, friends. Good evening, all of my subscribers. Today is my blog related to Agra Fort. The Agra Fort Killa is a historical fort in the city of Agra and also known as Agra Red Fort. Mughal Emperor Humayun was claimed in the fort in the 1530. It was the later renovated as the Mughal Emperor Akbar from 1565, and the present day structure was completed in 1573. It served the main residence of rulers of Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from to Agra. It was also known as the Lal Killa Fort. Lal Killa Akbari before being captured by British. The last Indian rulers of Habjar were the Marathas in 1983. The Agra Fort was inscribed of the UNESCO World Heritage Site because the importance during the Mughal dynasty. It about 21.5 kilometers, 1.6 meter northwest is the more famous sister Nimrud and Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described in the walled city of the latter revered in Shah Jahan. Like the rest of Agra, the history of Agra Fort prior to Muhammad Ghaznavi invasions of the unclear. However, in the 15th century, is the Chauhan Rajput occupied in soon after Agra assumed the status of capital when Sikandar Khan Lodi 1487-1517 shifted his capital from Delhi. Constructed in the few buildings of the preceding fort of Agra. After the first battle of Panipat 1526, Mughal capture from the fort and ruler from it in 1530 CE. Humayun was crowned in it. The fort was given the present appearance during the reigns of Akbar 1556-1605. Later his fort was under the rulers of Jats Bharatpur for 13 years. After the first battle of Panipat in 1526, Babur stayed in the fort, the place of Ibrahim Lodi. He later built in the Bauli stay wall. It is the successor Humayun was crowned in the fort in 1530. He was defeated in the Baligram in 1540 by Sher Shah Suri. The fort remained by the Suris till 1555 when the Humayun recaptured in Adil Shah Suri. General Hamu recaptured Agra in 1556 and proceeded the falling governor to Delhi, where to meet the Mughal in the Battle of Tughlaqabad. Realizing the importance of the central situation Agra made is the capital, arrived the Agra in 1558. The historical Abu Fazi recorded that the freezing spring is known as the Badalgara. It was in the ruined condition of Agra and ravaged with the sandstone from Burali area, Daulatpur district in Rajasthan. Architect laid the foundation and it was built in the bricks and inner core and sandstone on external surfaces. Some 4,000 builders worked on it daily for 8 years, completing in 1573. It was only during the reign of Akbar grandson Shah Jahan that the site took the current site. Shah Jahan built in the Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Unlike his grandfather, Shah Jahan tented in the building made from the white marble. When Aurangzeb was victorious among his all brothers, then Emperor Shah Jahan in 1658 the same fort only. The fort was under the jail rulers of Bharatpur of 13 years. In the fort they built the Ratan Singh ki Haveli. The fort was invaded in the capture by the Maratha Empire in the early 18th century. Thereafter it changed hands between the Marathas and their force many times. After the catastrophic defeat of third battle of the Panipat by Ahmad Shah Abdali in 1761, Marathas remounted out the region of next decade. Finally, Mahadaji Shinde took the fort in 1785. It was lost by the Marathas of British during the Second Anglo-Maratha War in 18 3. The fort was the site of battle during the Indian Rebellion of 1857, which caused the British East India Company ruler and the lead of country of direct rule and India by Britain. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.